Low-calorie meals are everywhere on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. They look great on camera, full of vibrant colors and perfectly plated. But here's the reality. Many of them can actually sabotage your health, metabolism, and even your weight loss goals. As a U.S. board-certified physician, I'm here to break down 7 of the most viral low-calorie meal hacks. I'll show you the good, the bad, and the medically questionable. Stick around because some of these so-called healthy hacks could backfire. But I'll also give you doctor-approved upgrades that you can use right away. Let's kick things off with the viral 300-calorie frozen pizza. This frozen pizza looks like the ultimate guilt-free indulgence. Under 300 calories and perfectly crispy, it seems like a dream come true, right? But when you actually read the label, things aren't as sweet as they seem. Most of these pizzas are made with refined flour, which causes rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes. Fiber is low, often less than 4 grams, so you'll feel hungry again very quickly. Protein is minimal, which means your body's satiety hormones like GLP-1, peptide, YY, and leptin aren't getting triggered. And the sodium content is high, around 700 milligrams per serving, which is about 1/3 of your daily allowance. Here's how to fix it. Swap that frozen pizza for a whole grain pita topped with fresh vegetables and a little mozzarella. With these changes, you double your fiber, triple your protein, and still stay under 400 calories while keeping your blood sugar and hunger in check. Transitioning from pizza, let's talk about something that seems even lighter on calories, and a 100-calorie smoothie that's blowing up on social media. But it might trick your body into eating more later. The 100-calorie smoothie is marketed as a meal replacement, light, refreshing, and perfect for weight loss. But here's the problem. Liquid calories don't trigger the same sense of fullness as solid food. Most of these smoothies are low in nutrient density, missing fat, protein, and fiber. And they skip the thermogenic effect that comes from digesting whole foods. Protein and whole foods naturally increase calorie burn during digestion, but ultra-processed liquid hacks don't. The doctor-approved solution? Add Greek yogurt or a scoop of whey protein along with chia seeds. This turns your smoothie into a 250-calorie powerhouse that delivers protein, fiber, and long-lasting fullness. Now you're fueling your body instead of just quenching your sweet tooth. From smoothies, let's move to snacks. The next viral trend is the 150-calorie rice cake stack, promising to curb cravings. But does it really work? The rice cake stack, topped with powdered peanut butter and sugar-free jelly, is marketed as a dessert hack. But here is what is missing. On paper, it's low-calorie and indulgent. The reality is that rice cakes have a high glycemic index, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Powdered peanut butter reduces fat content, which decreases satiety, and artificial sweeteners can have controversial effects on insulin sensitivity. A simple upgrade is to use 1 rice cake with natural almond butter and fresh strawberries, and this combination improves fullness, adds healthy fats, and provides natural sweetness without spiking blood sugar. You still enjoy the crunch and flavor, but now your snack actually supports your body rather than tricking it. Now let's move from snacks to salads. You've probably seen the viral mason jar salads all over social media. They look colorful, low-calorie, and perfect for meal prep. But there's more to the story. They're great for fiber, hydration, and micronutrients, but often miss 2 critical components: protein and healthy fats. Without these, hunger can return quickly, and your blood sugar may fluctuate. Even the dressings, often marketed as light, can sneak in sugar or excess calories. The fix is simple. Add lean protein like chicken, tuna, or beans, and healthy fats such as avocado or olive oil. Suddenly, your salad isn't just visually appealing, it's a meal that keeps you satisfied, supports stable blood sugar, and fuels your day. From salads to desserts, the next viral trend is a so-called zero-calorie ice cream hack. Let's see if it's genius or just frozen hype. This trend combines frozen fruit with diet soda to create an ice cream-like dessert. Fun, right? But here's what you need to know. Diet soda acids may impact your gut microbiome. There's virtually no protein or fat to slow digestion, and artificial sweeteners can, in some studies, increase appetite. Here's the doctor-approved upgrade. Use frozen berries with Greek yogurt and a touch of vanilla extract. You still get a creamy, frozen dessert experience, but now it's packed with protein and nutrients, under 200 calories, and satisfying enough to curb cravings without spiking blood sugar. This next trend will surprise you. As the summer heat lingers, a new sweet sensation is taking over social media: cottage cheese ice cream. At first glance, it seems like a dream come true, creamy, indulgent, and packed with protein. And yes, protein is fantastic for muscle support, especially if you're staying active or trying to maintain lean mass. But here's the catch. Many store-bought versions can sneak in excess sodium and added sugars, which can quietly offset some of the health benefits. Here's where a little doctor-approved upgrade makes a huge difference. Instead of grabbing a pre-flavored tub, try scooping plain cottage cheese into a container and place it in the freezer. Add fresh fruit and lightly sweeten it with a natural alternative like stevia or honey. You get the same creamy texture, a boost in protein, and the added vitamins and fiber from real fruit. And just like that, your ice cream becomes a muscle-supporting, nutrient-rich treat rather than just another sugar-laden snack. But while one viral trend cools you down, another breakfast favorite is heating up your morning feed. Low-calorie egg white wraps. They're high in protein, low in calories, and perfect if you're trying to slim down. The catch? They often miss out on essential healthy fats and fiber, leaving you less satisfied, and your blood sugar more likely to spike mid-morning, making you want to seek for more fulfilling snacks. Here's the fix. Add vegetables like spinach, peppers, or tomatoes, and a slice of creamy avocado. This not only balances the meal with fiber and good fats, but also keeps you fuller longer and supports heart and brain health. Rolling it all together into a neat wrap gives you a breakfast that's Instagram-worthy and doctor-approved, fueling your day the right way. From icy, protein-packed desserts to morning wraps designed for real nutrition, these viral trends can be fun and beneficial if you know the tweaks to make them truly healthy. And that's exactly the kind of insider knowledge I love sharing, turning social media hype into science-backed meals that work for your body. Now know this, not all low-calorie meals are created equal. Calories alone don't tell the full story. Look beyond just calories. Pay attention to protein, fiber, fat, and meal volume. Your meals should support satiety hormones like GLP-1 and leptin, maintain stable blood sugar, and preserve lean muscle. With a few smart tweaks, viral trends can be delicious, visually appealing, genuinely healthy, and nutritious. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more science-backed nutrition insights, and share this video with a friend who's trying these viral hacks. Comment below with the viral trend you want me to review next. I might feature your pick in my next video. And don't forget, I've created a free doctor-approved guide. 5 balanced meals under 400 calories. Download it through the link below to start making practical, healthy swaps for these viral hacks today. Be aware that these are general educational suggestions. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized medical advice. Thanks for watching.